Yeah, what we have here is a, what year is this DeSoto? Gosh, well, it's an early DeSoto. I think it's 1946, if I'm not mistaken. The automatic transmission on this is quite unique. It's not a pre-selector transmission, but it's kind of a blend between an automatic and a manual transmission. And the thing that knows when to shift it is this governor. Inside this canister here are spring-loaded expanding weights. As they expand, they go up and push on a contact in here that was burned before. We repaired the contacts with no problem. Now, to show you...
And about the spring.
Yeah, and the cantilever over-center spring device that operates the points. Fortunately, we had a spring in stock. Okay, so we're just going to show you it centrifugally turn on and off the points.
Of course.
Okay, a little grounding there. All right. Okay, go. Can you go slow enough to... There we go. So I don't have an RPM gauge on it, but the weights were already synchronized. So it is what it was, and we've returned it to function. Okay, thanks for watching.